Name the winner of the Golden Boot Award at the UEFA Euro 2020. Cristiano Ronaldo. The National Research Center on Yak is located in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has launched a population policy that aims to incentivize couples who do not have more than 2 babies? Uttar Pradesh. Who among the following has been selected for the Bahrain Kerala Samajam Literary Award for 2021? Om Cheri and N. Pillai. With which country India has signed MOU on cooperation in the field of health and medicine? Denmark. The RBI Retail Direct Scheme has been launched by the Central Bank for investment in which debt instruments? G-Sex. Sher Bahadur Juba has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Nepal. Which day of the year is observed as World Youth Skills Day? July 15. Which country has become the first foreign country to use BHIM UPI? Bhutan. The Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed won parliamentary elections of which country again? Ethiopia. The book titled A New Cold War, Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China is edited by Sanjaya Baru and whom? Rahul Sharma. The state-of-the-art Center of Excellence for Research and Analysis of Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances has been unveiled in which city? Gandhinagar. NTPC Renewable Energy has announced to construct 4,750 megawatt India's single largest solar photovoltaic project in which region? Run of Kutch. The Badminton World Federation has awarded the hosting right to India for the BWF World Championships in which year? 2026. Who has been appointed as the Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, succeeding Thawar Chand Gehlot? Piyush Goyal.